Sir, crores worth advertisement given to National Herald by the Karnataka government, sir.
No, crores is how many crores?
3 crores.
Somebody said 1 crore, now somebody said
in
2
2
crores.
years. In 2 years. 1.9 crores and 1 crore.
These are all irrelevant, very silly and petty issues. Bharatiya Janata Party and its government at the center has a lot more to answer than these questions which they are asking. The first question they must answer is, in the last 10-11 years of their governance, how did a political party amass thousands of crores? Thousands of crores in the last 11 years. How did they amass that much wealth? They must answer that. Instead of asking why we are giving advertisement to National Herald, why are they targeting National Herald by using their agencies? Why?
Reputed newspapers have not been given.
No, why are they targeting? They are not targeting Times of India. They are not targeting Indian Express. They are targeting National Herald. Why? Because Congress party has got something to do with it. They are targeting, isn't it? This answers the question.